Yeah, I'm ready.
All right. So we have Antony here.
Hello.
Antony wants the Y strap.
I've heard good things. I've seen it on YouTube, and I didn't know that Dr. Flynn has been doing it for 10 years, so
Yeah.
he told me about it, and I'm ready.
So I've adjusted Antony multiple times, but after he saw my video on, was it Instagram?
Yeah, it was on Instagram.
So after seeing the video on Instagram, he decided that it's his turn to get a Y strap. So,
Yeah.
You ready?
A little tight in my back.
Yeah, how
so
you
that's
feeling?
good. Not too bad. I wish I had something more pressing, but not at the moment.
So
Maybe my shoulder is like a little bit like off from tennis, but
Yeah, we were just talking about tennis.
yeah, we can
Yeah.
maybe check that out. I don't know.
So a little tennis injury.
But nothing seems to be hurting.
So we've had issues with your foot before.
Yes.
How's that doing right now?
Really stable. Like I can turn on dime. Like it really helped me. Like I had a sprained ankle I think before, or like I was strained at least, and yeah, you fix it right away. Like,
Good.
I could put weight on it again immediately.
So no issues with tennis on the foot?
No.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We'll go face down.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so we're gonna check you, Antony, all over here. And you are short on the left side. We're about a ½ inch here. Those are cool.
I feel
shoes.
that.
Yeah. You do feel it?
Yeah.
And then your hips up higher over here. So higher on that left side here. Short left leg over here. All right. And when's the last time you were worked on?
I would say early last week.
Mm-hmm.
I had like some lower back issues out of place, but
Better now?
yeah,
Good.
feels more stable now.
All right, so I'm gonna loosen you up here with the massager, and then we'll get you adjusted, and then finish you with the Y strap. So was this the area that was bothering you down here?
A little higher. Like when I bent over, I feel like it wasn't like, I felt something was like a little off.
This area here?
Yeah, like,
Better now though.
I think so.
Okay, good.
Like when I lean over and I twist around, I don't feel anything anymore.
All right, so we're gonna start with a leg pull here. And just let that relax there. Any discomfort with that pull? And a pull. Very good. Nice release.
Nice.
And then same thing here, a pull. And then wiggle that foot. Ooh, very good. We got some ankle there too.
Yeah.
And that was the ankle that was bothering you from before, wasn't it?
The other one actually.
Okay.
I've been playing so much tennis.
Mm-hmm. All right. So we're gonna go off to the side here. And it's pressure. Very good. Very good. All right, Antony, right there. Big breath. And out. And shoulders down. And again, big breath. And out. And shoulders down. Very good. All right, so let's have you on this side facing me. Okay, and then we're bending here. Yeah.
You're a lot smoother than the other chiropractor in Bloomington.
Oh, good. Smooth is a good thing when you're getting adjusted. Oh, nice.
Yeah.
And we'll go to the other side. Let's do a little closer here, camera action. Ooh, we got you in there, Tara. Okay, yep. Right there. And then we'll do a little pull here. There we go. And then pressure here. Nice. Wow.
Yeah.
That was good.
Instant release.
And then we'll go face up.
Okay. I like your ceiling
Isn't that great?
covers.
It's always a little bit sunny in here. It's a little, can't really pick that up on video. It's nice in the winter when it's gray. So we're gonna do a pull from this direction. Very good. We have more in there.
Could you feel that?
I did. Do you feel it too?
No, I mean, I definitely feel the movement, but I was wondering if you could like feel the signs of it, I guess.
The fact that you needed it?
Yeah.
I was just trying to loosen it up, just to open it up. So we were able to get it on when you were face down and face up.
Oh yeah.
That was good. Actually, let's get close here. We get some good crackage here. We'll lower this down just a bit.
Yeah, I bet they can hear it.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Oopsie. Go from this direction. Is this your better side? Your camera? All right, there we go. We're in business.
Howdy. Okay.
Right there. Chin up. Nada. Okay, and let's go to the end of the table. So we're gonna bend your knees over the end. Okay. So the moment of Y strap. Okay.
I'm ready.
All right, so the most important thing, which I don't really hear it on video when I see other people doing it, but you want to make sure that your tongue's out of your teeth.
Okay.
Your teeth are together.
Mm-hmm.
So we're gonna lift up and then back down. And we'll make sure their hair's out of the way here. There we go. So we're gonna start out by doing a couple just long axis pulls just to get you stretched out. Okay, so big breath in and blow it all the way out and pull, and again big breath and out, and then one more at the end, big breath, and then it's going to be a quick pull. Very good. You feel it?
Yeah, in my upper back.
Nice. And now it's the part where everybody chills after the Y strap. Taking it all in.
My head does feel lighter.
So yeah, this is like bliss right here.
This is great.
Isn't that awesome? And we're coming up. Yeah, that's how you stand up.
Walk it off.
Yeah. So your first Y strap.
That was my first Y strap. It felt like there was something in my back that just needed to be let go, and the Y strap just took care of it. And
So do you feel different than a normal adjustment?
I do. I feel. I mean, I don't know like how much different I feel, but like I feel like more of like a full body
More
sensation.
Is it more completely adjusted?
That's how it feels.
Yeah, I'm with you. That's how I usually feel after I get adjusted as well.
Yeah, I always wish like we had that cervical traction in previous sessions, but this is like what I've been missing, I guess.
That's awesome. Well, moving forward, you know that you have Y-strap here, so anytime you want, you're welcome to get it.
Thank you, doctor.
All right, very good.